I will respond by saying who believes them. Their words, I mean, let's take a poll, an honest to goodness poll, not one that's manipulated by their trolls. Who is more credible, what I said or them? I'm very confident that I'm much more credible because I speak the truth. I'm not ignorant of history. However, I'm very well aware of the saying of Mao Zedong that history is for the present. And in their history books, they conveniently forget at the present time the 45 million people who were killed by Mao Zedong's experiments. They do not even mention that they entered into a limited conflict or war with Vietnam, which they lost. They also manufacture history to the extent of claiming 5,000 years of uninterrupted history, when we know China were composed of dynasties. China as a political concept was only born during the overthrow of the Qing dynasty. So how can they have a 5,000-year period of history? Another point, when the People's Republic of China was proclaimed, Mao Zedong said that it was to overthrow the feudalistic past and imperialistic past of China. In the Cultural Revolution, they burned all their history books. So where does China's history come from? It is contrived. It is created to justify the perpetuation in power of the Communist Party of China, the Chinese Communist Party. And the biggest crime of the Chinese Communist Party is to destroy whatever goodwill the Chinese people should rightly have with the rest of the world.